I'm with Avjeet Bharadwaj in a Nagaland Dimapur, Nagaland coordinator for a Sevath ride.
During the pandemic time, we didn't got any chance to travel out to get plants, siblings and all. So these are the plants. I got a gift from horticulture with one of my directors, with my friend. So like I thought like where should I plant this mango siblings. So at last with the suggestion of my dad, he said, why don't we make a garden beautiful? So let's put some plants in our garden. So these are a few saplings, like 15 here and 5 forward. And we got some few Asoka saplings also. So still yet under construction. We have not done anything for a garden, like my building is still under construction. So I did a lot for this. You can see the greenery around, we are a lover. So this is a greenery you can see around my house. So it's all about Sevath, and looking forward this year, coming year, we'll be working hard to plant more than 500 saplings in Nagaland. And with that, I will request BCI admins and the coordinators and all the members, not only from Nagaland, to kindly support to make this event grand. बहुत obedient. लेकिन क्यूरियस भी वैसा ही है.
रेडी कर रहे हैं पानी के लिए. आशीष भाई देखिए,
ये छोटा है.
Jacob sir is almost ready. Sir,
I'm fully ready. Ready for takeoff.
the amazing one is here.
Jacob sir, बड़ा है.
Look at this tire size.
Okay, good. Are you ready for Manipur, right? Good morning. Today I am in a Dimapur. It's the 7th March. Me, Aboy Lios. He's our BCI Dimapur coordinator. Lieutenant Colonel Omen T. Jacob, the same rider last year. Now he's with a grown hair. Vikramjit Singh is a Manjunath Reddy. So this is our team, and we are going to ride together.
It's Aboy from Ari Baras Dimapur, Nagaland. I'm so glad that you guys have chosen me as your Dimapur
Coordinator.
Yeah. So I wish you all a very safe ride.
Hosting us
Thank
here
you, Ari
in
brothers.
Dimapur, Nagaland, and we hope we can stick together for the betterment of BCI and all the development program that will be coming down the streamline in the later few months. Thank you once more, Ari Nagaland.
एक कप चाय का बंदोबस्त, कॉफी का बंदोबस्त।
टाइम बताइए कितना हो रहा है?
टाइम पता नहीं, शक्ल से मेरे को लगता है 6:30 बज गए।
5 बज रहा है। It's 5 PM. हम बिल्कुल नॉर्थ ईस्ट में हैं।
This is now the interiors. And look at the situation. Armed patrol is going behind us. Okay, you will see uniformed men carrying AK-47s walking now. He's coming. They're crossing us.
Gate via
Yeah.
Nagaland, Kohima. We just entered in a Manipur, and it's a extreme east of the part of India, and we are feeling like a time difference around 2 hours because अभी शाम के वहाँ पे अभी लगता है 7 बज रहे होंगे, बट
It's
यहाँ
almost 7 times. Yes. Dark.
बट घड़ी में आके
5:30 and the temperature is 12 degrees.
so it's too cold,
12 degrees.
and this is the 5:30 and we are unable to see anybody on the road apart from the patrolling
But
party.
the gear is good.
Yeah, gears is good.
The gear is good.
Then we have to thank to BJP.
It's keeping us warm.
Seriously, it's too cold. I'm unable to speak. I have to.
That's because when we started from Nagaland, now when we come towards Kohima, we are climbing up. Kohima is at a height of about 1,500 meters, which is around 3,000 to 4,000 feet high. So we are in a semi hill station. So from there now we are going to Imphal. Imphal will be coming down, so temperature will rise now slowly.
Now tea is ready. We are going for tea.
Let's go for chai.
So here Vikramjit and Manjunath bhai is already having a tea.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Everybody looks tired.
Nice hot Manipur tea. Amazing. To this cold, definitely we wanted it.
Stuck on the way. All the vehicles are lying behind me, and there is a patrolling. Army is doing a patrolling here, and they came as a rescue team, and they are taking a vehicle out. We reach a Senapati from here. Imphal is nearby, and it's around 7:30. We feel like it's a night 10 or 11 o'clock. So we stopped for a tea. So this is the shop. I'm going inside. I'll show you. Hi. What is your name?
My name is Sanchita.
Sanjita. Which class you are studying?
I'm studying in class 4.
Okay. Oh, what you are studying? Which class?
KG2.
KG2, what's your name?
My name is Ishika.
Ishika. Tea is ready. Yeah. We got a tea. Vikramjit Bhai is sitting here. And now we are sitting.
Now we have stopped for tea.
Uh,
Now the time clock is around 8 o'clock. It's very chilling outside.
but it feels like it's around 11
Now
o'clock.
it looks like no, 11 o'clock. We are
뭐라도 야 아무도 믿을 게 비디오.
very cold.
And now we are sitting.
Now we have stopped for tea.
Uh,
Now the time clock is around 8 o'clock. It's very chilling outside.
but it feels like it's around 11
Now
o'clock.
it looks like no, 11 o'clock. We are
뭐라도 야 아무도 믿을 게 비디오.
very cold.
Cheers.
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 More rope like that. Take off.
So Jacob sir came. क्या लेके आया आप? इसमें क्या है?
अपना कॉफी
क्या है ये?
अच्छा कॉफी.
पकौड़ी.
जै-
भाई पकौड़ी देखो.
हाँ, जैकब सर का होममेड चल रहा है सब कुछ. कॉफी
पकौड़ी.
बड़ी तेल है अरे वो मेरे पास है
Kainuha ko malay bro. Kainuha.
Nice to meet you guys from BCI. They've been riding good. We're meeting a good brotherhood over here in Manipur. Hi.
Just stand. So now we reached Manipur. With us, Royal Motors Manipur. Yeah. So first time we are in the Manipur. Me, Jacob, Manjunath bhai. ये मणिपुर स्पेशल स्टार्टर है.
बदाम मटर
거기 포토 산이래.
Cheers.
Yes.